Dear learners, welcome to your week 1 summary video. This short recap will guide you through the important learning points from Unit 1 through 5 of Digital Marketing and Branding for Startups. Week 1 opened with Unit 1 related with Introduction to Digital Marketing, where you explored how online channels, platforms and tools work together to help startups communicate effectively. This unit also highlighted why digital marketing is especially valuable for new ventures due to its flexibility, affordability and precise measurability. Still within Unit 1, you developed a clear understanding of what a digital marketing campaign is, framed as a coordinated set of action designed to achieve goals such as awareness, engagement or conversions. This concept set the stage for designing purposeful, goal-aligned marketing activities throughout the course. Your learning then progressed to Unit 2, that is entitled as Digital Marketing Strategy Design, which emphasized the importance of having a strategic blueprint that connects business goals with marketing decisions. You explored several core elements of a strategy, including studying audiences, analyzing competitors and selecting channels, crafting the contents and ensuring all type of compliances. In Unit 3, defining goals and objectives, the learners or you examined how to set clear, measurable goals and how these goals should evolve across the digital customer journey, from building awareness to encouraging engagement, driving conversion and supporting retention over time. A key part of the week focused on Unit 4 also, which relates with marketing analysis and targeting, where you explored how broad markets can be segmented into meaningful customer groups. Techniques such as segmentation, persona development and customer research helped you to build a more precise understanding of the audiences your startup aims to reach. Unit 4 also guided you through identifying customer behaviors, pain points and motivation across digital touchpoints. These insights reinforced why targeted messaging is more impactful and how your marketing approach can adapt as customer needs evolve. The week concluded with Unit 5, that is relate with competitor analysis, which introduced the systematic ways to study competing brands. You learned how to examine competitors' strengths, weaknesses and positioning to reveal opportunity and gaps your startup can strategically address. Within Unit 5, you also worked with SWOT analysis as a tool for organizing insights and translating them into actions. Understanding these elements helped clarifying in market opportunities and sharpen your differentiation strategy. By the end of week 1, I am quite confident you built a strong foundational understanding of how digital marketing works, from core concepts and strategic planning to goal setting, audience insight and competitive analysis. These achievements across Units 1 to 5 prepare you for the next phase, where you will begin selecting channels and crafting your full marketing plan. Keep learning and keep enjoying the course. Thank you.